the data again and again. It is utilizing the data again and again. This is taking time, guys. Why? This is my Postman tool. Sunday effect, early morning effect. Everything is taking time. Everything is taking time. Really surprised. Be patient for 10 minutes. Be patient for 15 minutes. It's all. ID is still booting up. As for my knowledge, ID is still booting up. Okay. It's ready. I hope this one is also ready. Yes, let me save this. That's good. Okay, 8 I'm taking, guys. Send. 8 I'm taking, send. Let me just on. Oh, no, we got it. We got it. First request, select query generated. We already seen this practical. Second request, select query output came, but select query not generated. That means it is collecting from the cache or not. That means it's definitely collecting from the cache or not there, guys. Okay, that's good. Okay, boss. Now, okay. Now we have not only this method, we have a lot of select methods now, boss. Okay, now we'll continue the same. Actor cache one only, we continue the same. So we have show all actor is there now. Show all actor. Okay, not just one record. I want to keep bunch of records also in the cache. I would like to keep bunch of records also in the cache. So for that, 1 minute, where is that? Delete product, find ID by a product. Yeah, See? So when I'm putting all objects, there is no need of remembering any key, guys. Just mention the just mention the cache name. Just mention the cache name, that is enough, right? Okay. Come here. @cacheable. @cacheable. Okay. Because no parameters to pass. No, nothing. Value is equal to, what is there? Actors cache one. For one entity class, it's better to maintain same cache name, guys. One entity class, it's better to maintain same cache name. Actors cache one. Okay, I kept this one, guys. Now let's see. I hope changes will be taken dynamically. Yeah, let's go to collections. Where is our collection, guys? Redis cache collection. I think when I search it, Redis cache collection. Okay. This is, I'll say, request to, that's like, fine, let it be. Request to yeah. Let me add request 3, guys. Add request. Add request. What is that? Request 3. Find all. Request 3. Find all. I think this is all method. This is all. I think it is the actor operations controller, guys. It is actor operations control. Here is my actor operations controller. Rest controller na boss. Actor operations controller. Actor case slash all. This is a all method. That's good. Click on send button. I think we have got 2 actors. We have got 2 actors. Okay, both actors' information has come. That's good. Look at this. Okay, one select query has come without any condition. Check it out. Without any condition, one select query has come. Okay, that's good. Now I'll go for second, third time. Third time. Am I getting more select queries? No. That means bunch of objects also kept in the cache na boss. Bunch of objects also kept in the cache. What do you say, guys? Bunch of objects also kept in the cache are not there. Okay. Super, guys. Okay. Now we have one more thing, guys. We have one more thing. If you look at the service class, we have one more method. Show actors by remuneration range. Show actors by remuneration range. Okay. So here also I want to keep bunch of actors in the this one, but based on the given key values, right? This is purely based on the key. Key values are what? Start range and end range, right? Okay, let's go. Keep this one, boss. Okay, well, without that, let's see. Without that, let's see, boss. Without this, let's see what happens. Without this, let's see what happens. Request 3. And request. Request 3. Find all range. Find all with the range. Some range. Find all with the range. Yeah, actor API. What is the method we got? What is the controller method, guys? Have any idea what is the controller class we have taken? Is active boss by find all by ID. That's good. Followed by that. Yeah, find with start and end. Find with start and end. Okay, start is how much? And then find all. 25.5. Okay, 18. 25 point by 18. Okay. 10 comma 20. I have given 10 comma 20. No, it's not all, it's a find. Okay, that's good. It's a find. Yeah, satisfying this, how many records are coming? Only one record is coming. Right, guys? Okay, first time query generated. First time select query generated. Second time you observe. One more select query generated na, for this requirement. That means I have not put them in a cache, right? I have not put them in cache. That's why second time. You generate third time. Okay, guys. Okay. Now I want to put them in cache, guys. For this, whenever I give find with 10 and 20, okay, only first time only it has to hit the database software. Remaining time it has to collect from the cache, right? Okay, that's good. So let's go to actor management service IMPL, guys. At the rate cacheable. That's good, guys. Yeah, paste cache one. This key. This key. Let me search keys. What type? Keys what? Spell expression evaluates against dedicated context of the method. Okay, that's good. Method, this root access cache references method, shortcuts, root method name, all this stuff. Method arguments can be accessed by index. For instance, second argument can be accessed via root hash arg1, hash p1, hash a1. Arguments can also be accessed by the name of that information if available. But now question is how to pass multiple arguments. I think can I pass multiple arguments as a comma separated list of values? Let me try. I think long back I tried, I forgot the syntax part. Hash start, comma, hash end. Hash start, comma, hash end. Hash start, comma, hash end. Okay, I think it is auto saved, guys. That's good. Okay, now I'm giving 1020. Yeah, application is reloading, don't worry. Application is reloading, don't worry. Application is reloading, don't worry. This much time. Okay. Slash end. After parsing valid expression, there is still more data in the expression. Still more data in the expression. Okay, now the question is how to pass multiple values. How to pass multiple values. We got it. We got the problem, how to pass the key, how to pass the multiple values. Okay, no problem. We'll take the support of ChatGPT. We'll take the support of ChatGPT, guys. Where is this? Here. Guys, I'm not able to see any comments from your side. Are you there? Are you there, guys? Can you respond in the chat box? Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, no problem. I got it. How to pass? I forgot the multiple keys in the @cacheable. @cacheable annotation. My cache string param1, param2. Okay, we have to frame some expression here. Okay, got it. We need to frame the expression. Concatenation hyphen symbol. We have to frame expression, guys. Okay, we have to frame one string expression. If method is like ID and name, you want to store based on name this. If parameter is, if parameters are there, you have to frame concatenation. You have to concat, not the comma. Just not the comma. You have to go for concatenation. Okay, that's good. Everything, yeah, because that is a spell. Na spell use the real value, right? Plus symbol, hyphen symbol. Oh, I think double quotes is giving the problem. Single quote, single. Yeah, single quote, single quote. Even single quote is not working. Then what should I use there? What should I use there then? Yeah, single quote should work now, boss. It's good. Start. Okay, that's good. Hyphen, single quote, anything you can take. No, that is just for concatenation. That is just for concatenation, nothing to worry. 10 hyphen 20 become key boss. Single key only, but can including both values. Including both values, single key will. Let's try this. Okay, on this note, let me stop the application and let me start the application freshly, guys. Run on server boss. That's good. Say next. Say finish. Okay, we are ready, guys. 10/20. Coming, coming and select query generated. Up to this part is okay. Second time, output coming, but select query not generated. Did you realize that, guys? So we are reducing network round trips or not? We are definitely reducing network round trips or not? Is it not good, guys? So like this, one parameter means just that key parameter you can pass. If two parameters are there, by concatenating them, you have to bring a one new value as the key. You have to bring a new value as the key. That's a key factor there. Okay, that's good. So now let's go for how to put saved objects into the cache. For that one, we have at the rate cacheable, cache put something is there, right? Yeah, at the rate cache put is there. Check it out. Yeah, at the rate cache put, cache name, and based on what you want to identify this one. Okay, this product is param name, boss. This is param name. Actually, what you are passing is param name only. What you are passing is param name only. Param name of the method. In that one, okay, that param is object internally, no doubt. That param is object internally in that one property name. In that one property name you are passing. So that param dot, that object dot PID, you want to take it as what? You want to take it as what key? Both should match means this param name should match. Okay. And same cache name we are taking. So whenever you put save the record and record related object, I want to put into the cache. So that at the time of retrieving, it becomes easy now, boss. At the time of retrieving, it becomes what? Easy. No doubt. Okay, that's good. So let's go for save. Yeah, first of all, let me put it, guys. Register actor at the rate cache put. At the rate cache put. Value actors cache. Actors cache 1. Key is equal to. Yeah, can you guess what I should write here? Key is equal to hash, spell only. You have to write hash means spell, boss. Vivo dot AID. AID is the property name, Vivo is the param name. Vivo is the param name, AID is the property. Vivo is the param name, AID is the property name. That's good. Save this, guys, but make sure that it is matching. Make sure that it is matching. Okay, that's good. Yeah, now right click, run on server, finish. You can see, boss, you can keep two cache names. What's the use of, tell me? Shivashankar, don't ask question for the sake of asking. What's the use of mentioning two cache names? It's not like that you cannot put. You can put two cache. At a time you want to keep same object in two caches. You can do it. But what's the use? Try to understand reality also, na? Please, there's array type, you can put multiple names also. At a time, you can keep same object in two caches also. But generally, that requirement will not be there, right? Provision is there, but you cannot use. You have to go by use cases, not just for namesake. It's array and I will give two names. What's the use of it? You have to see practicality of it also. No? Okay, that's good. Katrina, actor as Mumbai, some 30. By 30. Okay, that's good. Save, finish. Null key is returned service. VO dot AID. AID is not there. It's a property name, guys. Find by ID. AID only, na? That's good. Send. AID only, that's good. Why it is not giving then? Actor name, category, actress. Actors cache 1. VO dot ID. Key generator. That's good. What's happening? Why it is not putting it? Null key returned for cache. VO dot AID. VO dot AID. It's not there. We don't have any VO kind of thing. Product. Then what is the name? VO. At the rate cache put. Yes. Then this should match. Yeah, that's good. We are going good only now. Entity class object name. Entity dot AID. It is not entity now because it should be parameter. Whatever parameter you are passing, that parameter, right? Whatever parameter you are passing, that parameter. It is not ID, na? It's AID. Na? It's a property name. Let's try with ID. It's reloading. It's application is reloading. Don't worry because I have done modification. Now it's reloading. Hey, Shoshankar, use brain run. Please don't ask like a kid. If you put the data while saving object, if you put the data in cache, while retrieving it will be useful, na? While saving itself, if you put the object in cache, while in the retrieving it will be useful. Think in that angle. Shoshankar is asking me question, sir, what is need of putting data in what? Saving the object, while saving the object. Or while saving itself, it's not taking AID, it is not taking. So the question is why we are putting the object in the cache while saving the object, right? The cache will help. Yeah, I think Shivashankar, I answered your question. If you while saving, if you put in the cache, it will help in the towards the retrieving. It will help towards the retrieving, right? Okay. But cache is going. Example, I saved 100 lakh records today. Yeah, that's your headache, na boss. It's your headache. If you want to take the benefit out, we have to go for it. It's up to your choice, right? That's your call. You want to you want to save every saved object or not? It's your call. That should be your call, right? Okay, but let's resolve this problem, guys, because that's fine. Entity object dot ID, but the issue here is when I pass VO, it is not allowing me to put. It's not allowing me to put 1 minute. See, it's not compulsory you have to put this, guys. If you want to take benefit, because at the time of saving itself, if you put the object in cache, the retrieving part becomes easy, right? Think in that aspect. But it's your call. Want to save it or not, that is your call. Actors cache. Am I giving wrong cache name there? Let me check. Am I giving wrong? Nothing is there. Okay, okay. I have to change logic little bit, guys. Oh no. I will tell what happened. Actually, it will try to put the returned object into the cache, right? No. Wait. I'll tell the reason. It will put returned object into the cache, not the parameter kind of thing. Returned object. But are you returning what? String. This is the problem. Okay, we have to modify logic little bit today. Look at we have overlooked it. See, guys, I'm receiving the object, I'm putting the save object. What is the return type of this method? What's the return type of that method? Did you notice it? Product. That means cache put is not putting parameter. Cache put is putting what? Return value. So I have to make sure that saved object is returned with AID, na? I have to make sure that saved object is returned with AID, right? Okay, for this one, what I told, I have to modify my logic little bit, guys. I have to modify my logic little bit. Okay, no problem. Yeah, let's stop this. Yeah, stopped it. Go to actor service. I actor management service, guys. I actor management service. Okay, that's good. Yeah, here. I'm also going to get actor Vivo only. I'm also going to get actor Vivo only. That's good. Will change everywhere. This reflects everywhere. What's the return value I'm going to get? Actor Vivo. Okay. Converted to entity set created by save. We just got the ID value, but we don't want ID value. We want entity. Okay. We want entity. That's good. That's fine. Yeah, convert entity to view. Convert entity to view. How to convert, guys? Utils dot copy properties. What is the source entity? What's the destination? What's the destination view? Yeah, right. Why are you copying? All the same thing. No, this time ID property is extra. In this entity, in the returned entity, ID property is extra, right? ID property extra. That ID property also will be copied, guys. So I'll make sure that VO is written. I'll make sure that VO is written. Okay, that's really nice. But we have to do similar modifications over here. Save response entity string. Okay, the response entity string. From here, I don't get message. I will get actor Vivo. Actor Vivo, guys. But here, what I do is, okay, actor is saved with Vivo dot get AID. Vivo dot get AID. That's good. Actor is saved with Vivo dot get AID. Yeah, I think fine, no problem. We'll use the same parameter as here. I think it will not be updated. It seems we'll go for another actor Vivo one dot get AID. Okay, that's good. Let's do now. It will work out now. It will work out. Let's run the application. You have to make sure that that method is returning object. Earlier we used to have string message in the service itself. So that says that part I am changing now to what? That part I am now changing to this place. Which one? Controller. Okay. Things are ready, it seems here. What's happening? Yeah, now, in that property, AID is there or not there? Actor Management Service, PO.AID. AID is the property. Now, this has to be recognized now. Changes has to be recognized. Actually, it is internally doing save operations only. Every time it is doing save operations only. 1 minute. Katrina, I will take something like, who is there? Deepika, right? Not putting in the cache, guys, but every time it is saving the data. Why? Because there's no problem to save the record. Only it is not putting in the cache. Okay. Now I have given correct property name, guys. Click on send button. Yeah. It is saved with 12. It's saved with 12. Why 12, sir? Array, already 8 is gone, na? Okay, 2, 3 times we only putting in cache is failed. Putting in what? Cache is failed, right? Putting in cache is failed. Okay, actor ID dot with this one. 12. Okay, now you save this, guys. That's fine. Okay, now at the time of saving only we kept it. What is it? Find by ID 12. No, insert query will be generated and we don't anyhow repeat. When you repeat again, new ID will come. So here, query generation is not the issue. While saving itself, you are putting object in cache means. Now you try to retrieve by putting 12, enter key. You observe this. No select query has come. First time also select query has not come. Did you notice it? Shoshankar, at least now you realize it. Shoshankar, at least you realize importance of saving object. Importance of saving object. One more time. The people who feel little clumsy, I will show one more time. Who is the another actor we got, guys? Deepika, okay. Disha, okay. Disha Patani. Okay, some number 20. Click on send button. 13. Okay, now proper insert query generated and other stuff is happened, right? Okay. So now I'll come to find by ID, guys. I'll place 13. Check it out. Since object is already there in cache, it is not hitting the database, it is collecting from database. At least you realized it. At least you realized importance of keeping object in cache. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's go for how to remove object from the cache. And when record is deleted, is there any sense of when record is deleted, is there any sense of maintaining that object in the cache, guys? There is no sense of maintaining that object in the cache, right? When record is really deleted, it's better to remove object from the cache or not there. Yeah, remove actor by ID. What is there? Remove actor by ID. Remove actor by ID. Here, cache evict is there, guys. What is there? Cache evict. Cache evict is there. You have to just put parameter, boss. You have to put the parameter, nothing else. Anyhow, you'll delete by ID now, boss. Okay. Now, cache evict is the annotation. Cache evict is the annotation. What is there? Value is equal to, what is there? Actors cache 1. Key is equal to, what is the param name? ID. Because anyhow, so ID is nothing but ID property value. No, this ID, but which is actually ID property value. While saving also, we are trying to put ID property value as the key. While finding also, we are trying to put ID property value as the key only. Na? We're trying to put ID property value as the key. That's good. Yeah, whatever it is, it's trying to delete those. It's simply trying to delete. Yeah, this time no need of worrying about changing return time. It's this time no need of changing the return time. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Add request, guys. I'm going to send a delete request here. Paste. What is there, right? What is the controller class method? Controller class, what is there? I have taken. Delete slash ID. Delete to slash ID. Delete by ID. I'm passing 8 there. Important. That's good. Delete only. Eight actor is deleted. 8 actor is deleted. That's not a big issue, guys. Okay. Record is deleted and it is also removed from the cache. Record is deleted and it is also removed from the cache. Okay. It is also removed from the cache. Okay, now you say find by ID. How can you say it's removed from the cache? 8, when I give request, number one, it generates the select query. Number one, it is generating select query because it is not there in the cache, generating select query. And after hitting database, it realized that record is not there. That's why error is coming. Once again, you click on 8. Click on 8. Okay, 3 more times select query generated now. That means it is not, the object is removed from the cache. If object is really there in the cache, I would have not got select query generation, and I would have not got invalid ID. So that means you're able to remove objects from the cache or not. We're able to remove objects from the cache or not there, guys. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Then what about updating things, sir? What about updating things? Updating things should also be changed towards what? Cache put only. Because update also internal use save method only, na? Update also internal uses save method, right? Okay, guys. Now we'll go for full object modification. Actor management service IMPL. Yeah, here, where is this? Update actor. Okay, that's good. Update actor. Let's change the return type to what? Actor view. What is being updated? I want to return it. Actor view, actor view. That's fine. Go to actor management service IMPL. Actor Vivo, Actor Vivo. Yeah. You got actor entity, bnetils.copy properties. That's good. Update by this. Update by this. It also returns save method. Actor Vivo, Vivo 1. Actor Vivo, Vivo 1. Return Vivo 1. I think this is the issue, na? Sorry. Got it. What is the one? It actually returns entity only. Entity, that entity we have to copy to Vivo. That entity we have to copy to Vivo, guys, by using bnetils.copy property. These are same story. Source is entity, destination is Vivo. Source is entity, destination is Vivo, guys. That's good. Source is entity, destination is Vivo. That's good. Okay, now fine. At the rate cache put. At the rate cache put. Value is equal to actors cache 1. What is there? Key is equal to hash vivo dot id, not id, aid. Hash vivo dot aid. Aid is the property. Yeah, we have to modify accordingly here now, boss. Yes, it's not giving me message, it is giving me what? Actor Vivo 1. Okay, that's good. Vivo 1 dot get AID actor is updated. Get AID actor is updated. Okay. That's good. Yeah, updation also you have to update the object in the cache only, no, with the same ID. Let's run the project, guys. Run on server here. Say next. Say next. Meanwhile, let me open this. Add request. Add request. What is this? Request number 4. Request number 4 or 5. Request number 5. 5 or 6. Whatever. We'll change the numbers later. Update. Update. Act. What's the mode of request? Put. What's the mode of request? Put. Tell me. Actor API. What API? Actor API slash update. Actor API slash update. Body. Raw. Text. Body. Raw text. Name I want to keep as it is. Okay. Actress. Actress I want to change to heroine. Heroine. And AID. And I think this got changed now, boss. This got changed. 1 minute. Find by ID. 8, I think we got changed. Let me select 7. Let me select 7. Amitabh Bachchan ask. Copy this data, boss. Go to update actor section. Come here. Paste it. 8, I'll keep it. Amitabh Bachchan also I keep it. Senior actor, I'll change that one to legend actor. Mumbai, Maharashtra, remuneration sum 30.5. Click on send. Not supported. Yes, you have to go put request. You have to go put request. That's it. What is this? Content type text slash plain char sect is not supported. What's happening? Text slash plain. Text slash plain. Okay. Fine. JSON. Select the JSON. 7 actor is updated. That's not an issue. Updated along with that is also updated, which is cache is also updated, right? Cache is also updated. Now you go to find by ID 7. Click on send button. We are getting the information, but are you getting any select query after update query? Any select query came up? After update, any select query came up, boss? No. That means object is updated in the cache or not. Okay, I'll put practical one more time. We'll take find by ID. I think 12. Who is there? Some actress name is there. Deepika is there. We collect this data, this is already there in the cache. We know that. It is already there in the cache. That's why no select query is coming, right? Okay. Now go to what? Update actor, guys. Say paste. Deepika, tell me. Actor as, we'll make it heroine. Okay, we'll reduce the rating to 20. We'll reduce the rating to 20. That's good. Super. Already there in the cache, and let's check whether it is updating the cache content or not. Updating. Now find by ID. Find by ID, I'll say 12. Earlier, old information is coming from the cache. This time, new information is coming. But any select query generated or not generated. That means the object of the cache got updated or not. The object that is there in the cache got updated or not there. Is it not interesting, my dear? Come on, everyone. So like this, we can put data in the cache or not, guys. Is it not interesting, my dear? Come on. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed it. Yeah. Yeah, check it out, guys. Working with Redis CLI. Okay, if you want to see what caches are there, in that one, what keys are there. Okay, there are some commands, guys. There are some commands. You go to bin directory in the command prompt, open Redis CLI. OP is what? Redis CLI. There we have some commands. So actually, there's no need of going for it, but you want to know what cache pairs are there, what keys are there in that. You just want to know all this stuff. Then there is a CLI also for the Redis, guys. What is Redis CLI? Okay, I think we have a command in bin directory. It seems, check it out. Let me open that. Let me open the Redis server. Redis server soft. Redis CLI.exe. Run as administrator. Save OK. Redis CLI.exe. That's good. What are the commands we got, guys? In the paint. In the paint, what are the commands we got? What are the commands? Keys star. Where is this, guys? Keys star. All the keys are coming or not? See? So far, these many objects are kept. So far, these many objects are kept. 10, 20, array, concatenation, we have it. 7 we kept, 12, 13 we kept. 12, 13 we kept. Yes or no, boss? We can get the information about the available cache. And get, if you want to get information about certain cache, guys, if you want to get information about certain key, we have a command called get key. What is this? Get key. Actors cache 1:12. That key related object, array, that's hexadecimal code is coming, don't worry about it. But that key related information is coming or not? The key related information is coming or not? You want to delete certain key? If you want to delete certain key, you can mention that key, guys. Del key. What is that? Actors cache 1:. Okay, I will delete 12, guys. I will delete 12. Integer 0. Ayo, what happened? Yeah, it's wrong. Cache 1:12. Integer 0. Any mistake, guys? Any mistake? Integer 0 means negative, huh? Yeah, one should come. One should come. One should come. One should come. I think colon is going wrong. Oh, colon, 2 dots. Right. Yeah, 1. 1 means it's gone. Okay, now say keys star. Now say keys star, the 12 gone. Na? Once 12 gone, you try to ask for 12 in find by ID. Earlier it came from the cache, but it will now generate select query and puts into the cache. Now it will generate select query and puts into the cache. So now after putting into the cache, again say key star 12 came back na boss. So we have some control na boss. So how to flush, how to delete all the keys, flush all. I think there is a command called flush all, it seems. Okay. Now say keys star. Now say keys star. Everything is emptied or not there? Everything is emptied or not there? So that means we have some administrative commands also to handle now, my dear. We have some administrative commands also to handle. Okay, now tell me, Redis cache is a local cache or a distributed cache? It's a distributed cache. It's a common cache for multiple applications or not? It's a common cache for multiple applications or not? It's a common cache for multiple application. Can I call it as distributed cache, guys? The database software data kept in the cache is used only one application is called local cache. If cache data is used by multiple application, then it is called what? Distributed cache. Generally, in microservice environment, we take the support of distributed cache. Redis cache can be used as both local cache or distributed cache. Okay. Only one application is using the data. But here, multiple application is using the data. That's why it is distributed cache. So Redis cache can be used in both angles, guys. Yeah, tell me. Our microservice application connects to Redis server by Redis connection factory, which will be created by taking Redis server URL, username, password. Nothing is there. Array, whatever details we are passing in application.property, using them, Java application connects. Internally, it takes the support of what? Connection factory, Redis connection factory. That is what they are saying. Okay. Sir, in session management also you're remembering data. Na? Session management is related to web application. It is related to database. Session management related to web application. It is related to database. Yes, that's why don't worry about. Session management is related to this one. Okay. How to delete certain key-based cache in Redis cache. See, through command prompt we can do, guys. Through command prompt we can do the Redis client. But if you want to do through application by enabling timer, guys, through application by enabling timer, see guys, I have kept one method, empty cache. I kept one method, empty cache. Template.delete prod simple keys. Yeah, tell me what happened. For every 60 seconds, for every minute, all the keys will be deleted or not there. Yeah, you can try this, guys. You can try this. Template.delete. Private rest template string object comma template, which you are getting through auto wiring. And you just enable timer, guys. You just enable timer. So what happens, guys? For every 60 seconds, it will execute and it will delete all the keys, guys. It will delete all the keys, right? It will delete all the keys. No, sir. I don't want to delete all the keys. I don't want to delete all the keys. Tell me. Entry TTL, time to live. Time to live. Any object in the cache, should be deleted automatically too. Should be any cache should be deleted automatically for every 10 minutes. So then we have entry.ttl. Entry.ttl duration dot of minutes 10 is there. Minutes 10 is there. Are you getting my point there, guys? For every 10 minutes, the caches will be deleted automatically. This can be done in two ways, guys. Number one, for every 1 minute or 10 minutes, you write a timer and you delete all the keys. That's the explicit one. Or there is a cache manager. There's a cache manager at the rate bin. While configuring it, you mention entry TTL duration dot minutes 10, guys. Duration of minutes 10. So automatically the objects will be deleted for every 10 minutes are not there. Okay, I said na. There should be some time limit for emptying the cache. There must be some time limit for emptying the cache, right? For that one, two options are given. One is get a Redis template. One is get Redis template and call that on the template method, call what? Delete method by enabling scheduling. You don't want that. Okay, you take cache manager as a bean. You take cache manager as a bean and there you call what? Set TTL method. Entry TTL method specifying the duration. So due to this, the caches will be emptied at regular intervals, boss. The caches will be emptied at regular intervals. Okay. So these two practicals you take care, guys. I have given the code. You take care of the practical part of it. So, but I want to give improved code, mini project related service I want to delete. Shushankar, what happens if cache goes down? What happens if cache goes down? First of all, your application will give error, na Shushankar. Use brain. Because in application.property connectivity is there. First of all, you will get exception. If you handle exception properly, the calls will happen to database software. The calls will, definitely it will talk to database software. You will get exception, no doubt. More improved service class by enabling cache. More improved service class by enabling cache. Actor viewer class I should give, madam. Just data properties will be there, madam. You want, I will give, but actor viewer class will just contains what you know. Okay, you want entity class and other stuff also, I will give. So when I give these many things, what is happened, rest controller also I will give. When you ask these many things, I will give entity. I will give, okay, entity class also I will give. I also give VO class. When these many things are given, no problem to give what even, okay, metadata properties. Okay, why to this? Okay, now I'll go for VO class also I'm giving boss. Take it na, anyhow you asked. Let's take completely then. Okay, VO class also given. So it is one more thing is left. What is there? Actor operations rest cut. At least I'll be happy to see the things, guys. Actor operations rest cut. Okay, when I give these many things, okay, let me open application dot properties also, guys. Array battery is drained out. Any moment it may go down. application dot properties. Give me 1 minute. In front of you, I will upload the document also, improved document. Give me 1 minute. Let me connect the charger, guys. Okay, that's good. Yeah, fine, guys. I saved the document. Done. Yeah, let me upload the document. I think you enjoyed Redis Cache. That I have developed by taking one mini project. You got the idea how to use in real practices, right? You thoroughly enjoyed Redis Cache. Yeah, next weekend topic is Spring Boot WebFlex. Spring Boot WebFlex. One by one, I am completing common topics, guys. Harshal glad. Harshal glad. Many topics are not there. Only common topics are there. Please, Harshal, don't make it a issue. Don't make it as issue. I already said main topics are over. Only common topics are there.